Good morning students, I am Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach you class 7 maths exercise 2A. Next question. Question number 8 is student. Anita bought 3 kilogram apples and 4 whole 1 by 2 kilogram guava. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? Weight of apple equal to 3 whole 3 by 4 kilogram. 4 to 12, 3 15 by 4 kilogram. And weight of guava is equal to 4 whole 1 by 2 kilogram is equal to 9 by 2 kilogram. According to question, total weight of fruits purchased equal to 15 by 4 plus 9 by 2 kilogram. 15 by 4 plus 9 by 2 kilogram. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. After solving this, 33 by 4 kilogram. 4 8 is 32. Next question is, so here, a rectangular sheet of paper is itna centimeter long, 15 whole 3 by 4 centimeter long and 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. 9 number. The length of paper equal to 15 whole 3 by 4 centimeter, 3 by 4 centimeter, and the breadth of paper equal to 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter, that is 25 by 2 centimeters. The perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper Student, the perimeter of the rectangle is 2L plus B. 2L plus B. L means 3 by 4 plus 25 by 2 centimeters. 2, 4, 63 plus 50 centimeter. 2 into 3, 6, 5 is 11 by 4 centimeter. 2 to the 4. 113 by 2 centimeter, that is 2 5 the 10, 2 6 is 12. Answer. Student, just look here. This is rough. When you divide 113 by 2, 2 5 is 10, 1, 2 6 is 12, 1, so 56 whole 1 by 2 centimeters. So this is set. Next question of class 7, exercise 2A. 10 number. A picture is 7 4 3 by 5 centimeter wide. How much should it be trimmed to fit in a frame? 7 hole 3 by 10 centimeter wide. A picture, so here a picture is 7 hole 3 by 5 centimeter. A picture is 7 hole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. How much should it be trimmed to fit in a frame? The length of a frame is, or the width of the frame is here, and this is the width of the picture. So how is it possible to just trim? Subtract this meter from this. So here the width of the picture equal to 7 hole 3 by 5 centimeter, that is 38 by 5 centimeter, and the width of the picture frame equal to 7 hole 3 by 10 centimeter, that is 73 by 10 centimeter. According to question, how much should it be trimmed? The trimmed width in picture to settle in frame, just subtract 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Just subtract 73 by 10 from 38 by 5 centimeter. SCM is 10, 5 is 10, 38 to each, 76 minus 73. 3 by 10 centimeter. Answer. Student, question number 11. What should be added to it? Not added to 7 hole 3 by 5 to get 18. What should be added to 7 hole 4 by 15 to get 8 hole 2 by 5? 11 and 12 is same. So question, student, I solve question number 12. Let the number equal to yes. According to question, a student. So here, what should be added to 7 hole 4 by 15 to get 8 hole 2 by 5? 8 hole 2 by 5 is result. And what is to be added to 7 hole 4 by 15? It means what should be added to 7 hole 4 by 15? So we add x to 7 hole 4 by 15. 7 hole 4 by 15. We added x to 7 hole 4 by 15 to get 8 hole 2 by 5. 15 7 is 155 and plus 4 109 by 15 plus x equal to 42 by 5. 42 by 5 minus 109 by 15. Two three is 6. 5 3 3 2 is 6. 3 4 is 12. Minus 109. When we subtract 109 from 126, 7 1 is cancelled. 1 whole 2 by 15 is our required answer. Now, question number 13. A picture of a piece of wire is 3 or 3 by 4 meter long, broke into two pieces. One piece is 1 by 2 meter long. How long is the other piece? It means the original length of this wire is here 3 or 3 by 4 meter, and one broken length of wire is here. So length of other piece is just subtract this from this. Answer we will get. A film show lasted for 8 hours. Out of this time, 1 hour, 1 by 2 hours was spent on advertisements. What was the actual duration of the film? Students, just so here. A film show lasted for 8 hours. Out of this time, 1 by 2 hours was spent on advertisements. What was the actual duration of the film? Just to subtract this 1 by 2 hours from 3 or 2 by 3 hours, you get answer. Question of 15 is of 2 by 3 and 5 by 9, which is greater and by how much? Just you compare these two fractions, you will get your answer. And if one fraction is greater, you subtract a smaller fraction from greater fraction, you will get the difference. Question number 16 is, the cost of a pen is rupees 16 or 3 by 5, and that of a pencil is 4 or 3 by 4. Which cost more and by how much? Just look here. Question number 16. The cost of a pen equal to rupees 16 or 3 by 5, rupees 83 by 5, and the cost of a pencil is equal to rupees 4 or 3 by 4, rupees 4 for 16 and 19 by 4. Which is greater and by how much? Which costs more and by how much? For this we compare these two. On comparing (83 by 5) and 19 by 4, we get just here. 83 we have two methods. Just convert into like fraction, or just by also cross method. Here 332 is greater than 95. So 83 by 5 is greater than 19 by 4. Student, just look here. 332 by cross multiplied of 83 with 4 and 19 with 5, we get 332 and 95. 332 is greater than 95. So result of 332, 83 and 4 is here. 83 is numerator and 4 is denominator. So 83 is here. 83 fraction is greater than the other fraction. So the cost of a pen is greater. Cost of pen is greater. This is the cost of pen. Cost of pen is greater, students. The student is also only for understanding. Just write clear here. Not write here. This is not well. It is also only for make understanding. Now difference. Your cost of pen is greater. than cost of pencil. When we 5 4 is 20, 5 4 is 4 4, 3 is 12 in hand 1, 4 8 is 32 1 33 minus 4 5 95 is 95 7 3 2 by 20. When we rough so 11 or 17 by 20. So, therefore, cost of pen is more by rupees 11 or 17 by 20. Thank you, friend, to watch this video. I solve question of lesson 2A. Thank you.